Say something is thick, you say it is thick. Es ist dick. It is thick. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. Okay guys, and this is Esther's Diaries. Okay, like Queen Esther's Diaries. Okay, we're done with that. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be back here. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few German words that messed up in my mind when I came to Germany. Okay guys, so here are like 6 words, okay, I have on this video, and I will not be sharing any special German word for today on this video because this video is just made up of German words. Okay, so first to the first, okay. Up to the first word. My first word is sex. Yeah, sex. Now, remember, as I was learning German, I hadn't learned how to pronounce stuff. So the whole time I was like, sex. Yes, sex. Guys, in German, sex means the number 6. Okay, 6 is sex, normal. But the whole time, everyone who listened to me then, every Anglophone or English speaking person who listened to me thought I was saying sex. I remember this day I was having this personal German classes on YouTube when I was in Germany. Yeah, I was like trying to learn the numbers at least, and I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The lady beside me was like. So guys, but in German the actual word for sex is actually a very complicated word that I still don't understand why anybody in the world will use such a word for sex. Okay, I just feel like that word is abused. Anyway, the word for the word for sex in German is actually Geschlechtsverkehr. Geschlechtsverkehr. Funny enough, this word Geschlecht means gender or sex, like gender, male, female, gender, and Verkehr means traffic. That's why I don't understand it. Why would you call something as simple as sex Geschlechtsverkehr? Okay, so like gender traffic or something, like you guys are just having traffic, like traffic. Weird. So my second word is Lust. So as I was saying, I was new in Germany. I didn't know how to pronounce this word, so I was in class one day and there was this text I was supposed to read and it had Lust in it. And the whole time I was pronouncing it as lust. Because it's the English lust. It's the same spelling, L-U-S-T. Same English spelling, lust. And it kind of messed up in my mind because at some point I was thinking, is this kind of a good kind of lust or lust? Like, what's this about? So lust in German means desire. Do you desire something? So you could say ich habe Lust auf eine Tasse Kaffee, which is I desire to have a cup of coffee, something like that. Okay, so when you write that down, it's like I have lust for a cup of coffee. Anyway, that's how I felt the whole time. But guys, the word lust in German doesn't really. I actually tried to find a word for it, and I wasn't able to find a word for it. But I was able to find a sentence, or like a phrase that people usually say when they're trying to refer to lust, or like that naughty passion. You know, that's I don't know how you guys do it. How do you guys do it? Anyway, that kind of lust is ich stehe auf dich, okay? Which is like saying I have this desire for you, which necessarily does not mean love. It's just kind of an erotic desire. Thank you. Yes, it's a phrase to describe an erotic desire for somebody else. So like meow, ich stehe auf dich, meow, meow, that kind of thing. I don't know how you guys do it. Yeah, I don't know. But guys, the next word is the worst. It's the worst because I have to use this word actually very, very often. this kind of messed with my mind for a long time. So the word is dick.
Whoa, wait, whoa. All right.
Dick. Weird. I know. So guys, in German, dick means thick. Also, you want to say something is thick, you say it is dick. Es ist dick. It is thick. Whew, it took me a while to get used to it. Like you say, this is dicker. I'm like,
What the hell are you talking about?
God, this is a bad word. But I have to. This one is bad because okay, it wasn't easy. But I now have to get used to it anyway. But in the real German word for the word penis, yeah, which is what dick in English kind of connotes, is Schwanz or penis. Yeah, it's either you say penis or Schwanz is kind of like Umgangssprache. It's like it look like the way like it's a nickname for it, a slang. Thank you. It's like a slang for it. But yeah, people also just say penis. But yeah. Anyway, over to the next. So the next one is the noun. Actually, the noun. They are Tag. So Tag in German, if you're already learning German by now, this is like a very simple German. Tag means day. Okay. Yeah, day is Tag. Tag. So you can say Guten Tag means like good day. You get this Tag. But in writing, because of the resemblance between a lot of English words and German words, it might really mess up with your mind while writing. So the whole time I was thinking that Tag was, you know, the kind of tags you have on your new clothes or like on new stuff, and which is actually not that. Those kind of tags in German are actually called etiquette. Etiquette. Yeah, let me use the accent. Etiquette. Or yeah, and the noun and the verb for that is zu etiquette. Ew, God. Okay, you can also say zu markieren. Zu markieren means to mark off something, which is actually close to putting a tag on something. Or you could also say zu etikettieren. I hope I said that properly. The next word is handy. That's handy. So it's actually spelled like handy, like H-A-N-D-Y. So, but in German, that's handy because a lot of Germans don't pronounce R. In English words, they'll rather say R for R words in English words. So you'll say that's handy. Handy, it actually means your mobile phone. And that but because of this resemblance in English, it actually sounds like when you're saying that comes in handy, that's very handy. And yeah, but these phrases I mentioned made mention of right now, which is something coming in handy or something being handy, in German is actually said as es hat sich gelohnt, like it was worth it, it came in handy, it was worth it. It's kind of, yeah, so people usually say es hat sich gelohnt. Or if you want to speak High German, you could say es hat sich als nützlich erwiesen. I hope I tried to say that properly. Es hat sich als nützlich erwiesen. Yeah, either one. Yeah, choose one. That works for you. Hey, so up to my last word for today is the word das Paket. So packet in German is actually spelled the same way an English person will spell packet. So you're expecting a box from Amazon or whatever online shopping you do, it is referred to as ein Paket. Okay, so not packet, but paket. Packet is English, paket is German, and paket means the box you get when you receive stuff. But in English, the packet in German could actually refer to the wrapping on like the food or something like that, or whatever it is. That's what they refer to as packet. But in German, you don't call that a packet. You could call it the Beutel, yeah, or the, yeah, you just call it a Beutel. There's not, I don't know any other word that's used to, like Beutel is like, it refers to a paper bag. So yeah, when you say Beutel, it's kind of understood that what you're speaking about came in a paper bag, a steel paper bag. So you can call that the Beutel. You, genau. Oder manchmal means sometimes. You could actually say wrapping paper, and in German that is it really depends on where you're speaking. Sometimes someone might say oh god, how did you say it again? There's Papier von Schokolade. And sometimes you kind of refer to it as a Papier, the same way you say wrapping paper. Some might say Papier, but it's just the correct German word for it is Beutel. If you want to say Papier, everyone will still understand you. Just remember to relate your Papier, which means paper, to the article that was in it. Okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Like, I had fun. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to everyone you know who is moving to Germany, who wants to learn the German language or anything about Germany, or who just loves me. Like, if you love my face, please share it. Like, so what's here not to love? Like, this is so much love, lovable love. Okay, I'm playing. Guys, see you in my next video. Bye.